And we're out with the LX, highly modified LX A10 once again. They've got some problem, the flaps won't work. They're on channels 7 and 8 individually. Both don't work. The transmitter says it's sending the signal. I can't really check on the plane. The wing wiring goes through a connector which runs ailerons and gear. Chances of 2 signals disappearing and not others is pretty slim, but I don't know. I don't know what has happened. Both servos dying would be pretty slim. So we're going to have to fly with no flaps, which means who knows how long it'll take off and how fast the landing. But anyway, we got a little bit of wind to help.
Throttle active.
So hopefully
set the timer?
Everything will be right. We put the ordnance on, that'll give it a bit of drag, help it slow down for landing maybe. Skating away. Lift it off.
Landing gear retracted. 21.4 volts. 91 amps. 401 milliamp hours. 21.
Climbing a little bit.
Volts. 78 amps. 674 milliamp hours. 22.2 volts. 66 amps. 904 milliamp hours. 22.5 volts. 56 amps. 22.6 volts. 1090 milliamp hours. 3 minutes. 1 minute. 22.6 volts. 49.9 amps. 1256.
Looks nicer with the ordnance on.
22.
Looks a bit more purposeful or something, I don't know. Now I've got a little test to do, so I've got to slow down. I've got the A3 Super set up to give me a few degrees angle of attack for landing. I'll just check what happens when I switch it on. It's a bit scary.
A3 Super 2D mode.
So we're now in A3 Super 2D mode, and the aim is to find out. It should be adding a little bit of angle of attack, which I think it is. So I've sent a stick, so when I'm in a straight line, even flying slow, it's staying horizontal, because the aim is to give me about 3 degrees angle of attack.
1 minute, 3 minutes.
Which it's doing.
A3 Super reactivated.
Yeah, so now I've got to hold a fair bit of up just to maintain altitude at that slower speed. But anyway, I don't really want to use it to land yet. I'll do some more tests with it.
22.2 volts. 36.5 amps. 1,681 milliamp hours.
A bit of a interaction between the two fans are not very synchronized today.
Timer 1 elapsed. 4 minutes.
Oh well, it's 4 minutes gone, but so I'm flying, what, 40 amps maybe?
21.9
Let's check.
volts. 39.3 amps.
39.3 amps, so 40 amps is good for a scale sort of speed. Needs a bit of up trim.
Milliamp hours.
Needs a bit more up trim. Bloody flies flying in my mouth. What we're doing is figure eights. There's not much you can do with an A10 really.
21.8 volts. 39 amps. 1,684 milliamp hours.
We'll go up a little bit in power. Just above the tree height over there.
21.6 volts. 41.8 amps. 3.
Let's have a look. I'm right at mid stick.
65 milliamp hours. 21.6 volts. 41.7 amps. 4.
I can do quite a big loop
100
back to mid stick.
milliamp hours. 19.8 volts. 57 amps. 6 minutes. 21 volts. 4. 1,574 milliamp hours. 58 amps. 20.9 volts. 55 amps. 4. 1,863 milliamp hours. 20.8 volts.
Keep forgetting to listen.
55 amps. 5. 1,045 milliamp hours.
Oh, that's time to land.
20.6
Gear down.
49.9 amps. Landing
This will be
gear
fun.
deployed. 5.
No flaps.
1,214 milliamp hours. 20.5 volts. 32.1 amps. 7 minutes. 21.1 volts. 5. 1,342 milliamp
It actually
hours.
landed better
0.5
than when it lands with flaps.
amps. 21.5 volts. 0 amps. 5. 1,351 milliamp hours.
5,300 milliamp hours. I overdid it a bit. There's 6,000. 21.7 volts, so that's under 3.7. They're only zippy compacts. They're going to be quite warm and a bit expanded. I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. I had the readouts running, cycling around. I was always listening to voltage, but the capacity just went in one ear and out the other, and I didn't really pay attention because I would normally land by maybe 4,500 milliamp hours.